Good day, my dear undergraduate students. Welcome to Shortcut to Success. What do you people see in this? I am finding a slightly convoluted blood vessel, and the star indicates the lumen with RBCs. There can be some blue cells which are flattened, the endothelium. The thick arrow points to the muscle, smooth muscle, in which I am finding multiple patchy areas of basophilic material. And surrounding all this is the supporting CT, means connective tissue. This is collagen or muscle, and this is fat. So rigid artery, lumen with RBCs, endothelium, musculocollagenous connective tissue. What do I see in this again? It is a higher magnification of the same. I am able to see the endothelium, the media with the smooth muscle, which is having irregular patches of basophilic or blue material. Basophilic means blue due to calcification. That is what the circle or ovoid envelope indicates. Now, this is another blood vessel in which the media is thickened and it is rigid. These are all patchy areas of calcification in the media. Why am I showing you people this? If you compare, you find that the blood vessel has got this kind of a curvature and it is also rigid. This is called a swan neck deformity. And the diagnosis for us will be Monkeyberg's medial calcific sclerosis or cystic medial calcification. We shall move on to the next one. There is a polypoidal lesion in this case. It can be from the nasal cavity, most probably, in which the histology is like this. I am finding that there is a pseudostratified and sometimes a ciliated columnar epithelium. This is the basement membrane, and all these pale or whitish areas are areas of edema. Blood vessels are over here, and I'm finding multiple small dark dots, which are the inflammatory cells. Another slide again showing pseudostratified columnar epithelium, some vacuolated cells or the goblet cells. Stroma is edematous because of the pale texture, and inflammatory cells are the small dots. Mucus glands are also seen in the wall. Sometimes the inflammatory cell can vary from slide to slide. It can be eosinophils, which have got a slightly pinkish cytoplasm, plasma cell with an eccentric nucleus, or it can be hardly any cytoplasm, the lymphocyte. I hope things are very clear for you people in this. Identified, and I would like you people to kindly repeat the description. It is a case of an inflammatory polyp. I'll move over to the next spotter for the day. Again, a polypoidal lesion, but in this case, it is from the laryngopharyngeal region. There is an epithelium over here, the stratified squamous in this case, and I am finding large, well circumscribed areas. This is being supported by the connective tissue and lot of small dots are seen. They are the inflammatory cells. Another field wherein I am finding the pseudostratified columnar epithelium or a stratified squamous epithelium. There is a subepithelial edema. Multiple sporangium. Sporangium means large circular spaces which contain endospores. These large dots inside are the endospores. Edema in the stoma. So I would like you people to kindly summarize. This is a sporangium which is showing a dispersal of the spores. and there are some sporangia which are almost empty. And this is the sequelae of it. There is a single spore which is developing into a sporangium in which multiple spores are being produced, and it becomes something like this. Ultimately, there is a rupture. What we should identify will be sporangium with endospores, rupture and dispersal, epithelium, stromal edema, inflammatory cells. And the diagnosis will be rhinosporidiosis. Mercy.